This is the Lockpicker 1969, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to the next episode of Mini Lock Monday. We have a wheel with 12 locks left on it. I will be spinning that wheel, and I will pick whichever lock the wheel chooses. So, let's get into it. So today's lock is going to be number 15, the Abus 5540 brass padlock. Let's get to it. All right, I'll give this Abus 5540 a go. I'm going to put it in the vise. My hands are bothering me today. Let's see what we can do here. There we go. This 5540 put up a fight too. Anyways, thank you for watching. Make sure to tune in next Monday for the next Lock the Wheel picks. If you're a subscriber, thank you. If you're not yet a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications and all, and hit like on the video. And thank you for watching.